Hello my good people here, how are you doing? I trust God has kept you all well. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you're so welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. So we're cooking Irish balls, and they are boiled Irish dipped into a number of ingredients which include flour, Royco, and other different forms of curry powder. So we will be dipping this in the hot cooking oil, as you can see. We're cooking it. So when you're cooking the Irish balls, depending on what you really want, I love crispy ones, but since we are cooking for a number of people, we had to make sure this is moderate. Yes, oh, it is in between hard and soft. I don't know how to put that one. A little bit crispy, a little bit soft, you get. So as you can see, our Irish balls were turning should I say golden yellow? I don't know that color. Yes, that one that you're seeing there. So that takes depending on the heat that you've put there, so I would say 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, so that's how they look. Very not so crispy, not so soft, so in between they are just chewable. That's what I can say. And there we're adding in the next phase, as you can see. Yeah, we had to make sure they're enough for each and everyone. Guys, this is my chikuku. Yeah, so I want it to drain, the water to drain, then we'll be able to spice it a little more and then deep fry it. Okay, so this is the chicken. We put in other ingredients. There's garlic, carrots, there what? I'm forgetting. Anyways, I've added in a number of, and some lemon and wow, I'm forgetting the names. But anyway, so we're going to leave it to boil a little bit. Then this is our chicken cooling a little bit, and we are going to deep fry it. As you can see, this is the oil. This oil is the one we used to deep fry the Irish, so we are not going to change anything because everything there is edible. So we are just going to add in our chicken, and then we'll be good to go. Yeah, you should bring our starting to turn goldish, as you can see. Then if you're seeing that, yeah, so this is not the KFC kind of spices which remain, we don't pour them. After this one helps you in making the stew, so you just add in some water, just small water, and have your stew, as I'll be showing you. Seeing this, so this is our cooking. So this is our last one. Serving Matooke.
That's Mama Matooke. Mama Ganda. Look up to your face.
It's okay. So I'm putting this one here because we are using our, they are called baskets.
Hadita.
Dita.
In the local language.
In the local language. So this one here is where I'm going to put the matooke.
Wow, wow, wow.
Oh,
This
I
is
never
real.
yes.
You never has cooked it.
I never. Oh, guys, I don't know if you even see. You hold it. So guys, this is how it is supposed to turn out.
Very soft.
You don't know. Okay, so this is how we serve it. It has to be hot meanwhile. Do you even see it? Alright, so you guys, this is supposed to be eaten hot. Not even just warm, but hot. So I'm serving in a way that I don't disorganize the remaining one, so that it remains. Yeah, it's for supper, and it has to remain when it's hot. Yeah. So I think this is enough for us.
It's enough.
Yeah, because you have other food. Add this one on top. Juice is coming. Hey, are you seeing? Are you seeing? What is it? I never want to. I want to akuba juice. I busy as it is songa. Have our movable fridge here. I don't know if it's called a deep freezer or something. This one here, usually when you're going to camp, when you're going outside, when you're going somewhere, you use it. So we have our ice in it. Yeah. So since everything. So this is the stew that I made out of the remaining ingredients in the saucepan of the chicken. If you remember, that's how it turned out to be. So this is the killer time. This is now the time when people get to serve and eat. Yes, and I can assure you they enjoyed. At this point, everyone was super hungry and all they wanted to do is dive in. Guys, if you have watched till this, kind of like the video. Share if you don't mind. Comment down below and tell me what have you learned.
That's my brother there serving.
How is the food, Andrew? It's what? Where is the juice?
It's 10 minus nothing. 10 out of 10 minus nothing.